Right. Welcome to Grave Encounters. Doing a proper night shot low vision test outside. Now that I've taken my entire front element apart from this camera. Oh, walking into the bin. Need night vision, better eyes. Yeah, so took not only the front panel of this camera off, but the actual element behind it was where the dust was trapped. It wasn't the front element, so it wasn't a simple case of just taking the front bit off. Had to then take the next layer of glass off, at which point I was very much bricking myself, but a few whiskies apparently for Dutch courage was enough to allow me to do it, and here we are. It's been removed. I mean, I could see at that point it was removed anyway, but yeah, it straight away made the difference, and that was the problem with the lens sort of ghosting, flaring up in the corner. I know some may go, oh, it was a nice effect. No, it was not, and it was bugging me to shit. So I've removed it, it's done, and hopefully I never have to do that job again, because the problem with these cameras, if anyone's ever removed a front part of a video camera, especially in the Sony Handycams, the cabling for the microphone and everything is very much attached to the front, so if you pull that away too quickly, you could run the risk of tearing that cable, and a camera that was designed back in or released in 2000, getting spare parts. If you can do it, it's going to really mean buying a whole new camera, so it's not going to be a cheap thing to replace in the slightest. It's not produced anymore, so buying that replacement means buying another camera. But yeah, I've done it, hopefully never have to do it again, and this is just me going outside with almost pitch darkness, quite late at this point, with the old-fashioned night shot. Let's turn the night shot off actually and just use normal lighting. See how well this lens focuses in piss poor lighting. Well, straight off apparently. Right, I'll speak to you in the next one.